What if the one thing that's keeping you from starting over is the one thing you're refusing to let go of? So many people tell me in my coaching business, I want to start over, I want a better life, I want a better relationship, better health, more money, more peace. But then they spend every day carrying the weight of the past, of the betrayal, the divorce, the argument, their addiction, the mistake, the regret. When they're looking forward, they're still chained to the past. Here's what I learned. You can't build a life while carrying all that stuff with you. At some point, if you want to start over and have a new life, you got to decide if your future is more important to you than your pain. Doesn't mean nothing happened. Doesn't mean saying what they did was okay, not at all. It's refusing to let that moment define you. Sometimes the hardest person to forgive is yourself, for the bad choices, for the opportunities you missed, all the years you wasted. I had to learn that lesson too. You can't rewrite the past, but you can write a different ending. Maybe forgiveness isn't the finish line. Maybe it's the starting line. Maybe the life you've been hoping for, you stop carrying the life that's already behind you. I see it all the time in my coaching business, and the millions of people who've watched the videos that I make. You all have seen yourself in my story. Betrayal, broken homes, alcoholism. You came from a divorced home. You gave your kids a divorced home. People have hurt you repeatedly. And your life, as much as you've tried to do it, is where it is. You can't go forward. You can't go back. It's a heck of a place to be. How do you get through it? Here's what I do know. Everyone's story is different. Your pain is different. How you got here is different. How you get out of it, though, get some therapy. Maybe you get a coach. Maybe you get an accountability coach. I don't know. You got to exercise. You got to fix your diet. 80% of us need to fix our health and our weight. If your blood pressure is high, if your blood sugar is high, and you're trying to deal with the weight of all the old wounds, how can you do it? It's very difficult. It's near impossible. If you fix all the other things in your life and you fix your head, then you can start dealing with things. Forgiveness is not reconciliation. You have to come to the realization that holding on to that unforgiveness hurts you more than keeping it. Appreciate you guys watching. If you'd like to know what an accountability coach is, hit me with a DM. It's what I do. I'd really like to hear your story. If you're following along, please type I'm in the comments so I can see you. Recently started a Facebook group. If you like Facebook more, find me over there. You'll see my mug and starting over at 57. Thanks for watching, guys, and I see you on the next one.